Well, we are back. I'm not sure about this all day. Call in Kama we say we go Badwam on Adom TV, multi TV. So my main cow said no kono pepe APJ and say big one. Now be a proud Ghanaian, exhibit the values of a Ghanaian, patriotism and love for your country. Very, very important. Especially that time I catch you say bibia na waka bibi. And not just bibia keke bibia ensem fata ene Ghana mra ene shisha boy gratitude the fire bambo bibia na waka bibi. So continue to be a proud Ghanaian. It's very important. Makacho what you said the entire Ghanaian, you continue to exhibit the qualities of a true Ghanaian, that is patriotism and love for your country. Now, Yen Shebo said, at all times, we will never sacrifice Ghana for anything, at all times. Nyoma Ensem Fata, we never sacrifice Ghana for it, at all times. So help us, God. I know that I am a proud Ahafonian. I also know you're a proud Votarian. I also know that you're a proud Mampusinian. Mampusi for new term, and I know I'm a proud Frafrarian, a Frafrafodian, and I know I'm a proud Central Regionarian. You know, just encourage yourself, be proud that wherever you're coming from in Ghana, in Bako, and we are for a good cause to ensure say Ghana bit me, Ako and Kai. Lydia, Mrs. Lydia, after Dominic Kisiabo Hokeni, and Anna Udi, would happy birthday and come up from Minerva, Deandra, and Nanaya Omuna say, Mommy, we are proud of you, and Daddy is also proud of Mrs. Lydia Arthur, Mrs. Dominic Kisiabo, Sana Mefro. Happy birthday. Before I say, I pay at Nasi, and it's still doing this. I pay, come back. I pay, come back. That's not me. Hashtag I pay is back. NDC member of parliament to honor. Oh, I pay. If you are the party for now, I'm here in the back. Agronomudi. Oh wow. I pay, come back. I'm saying, wow. How about you? Chef lost a chance to know on your introduction. I pay, come back.
I say a MPP for. That's why I used to have an MPP for the majority.
But how come say a honorable Mutimiko?
Say an MPP independent candidate, April lose 2,600 votes.
2,600.
And I lost by 241.
That means can the votes in your own votes?
Apart from that, no crown, say a friction can never and term of coincidence multiple a campaign.
No, the China would need how the
skirt and blouse. Skirt and blouse. The president won the coincidence by 7,000 votes. Into 7 MPP for the friends remember that I guess because they are the majority in the constituency.
I see. Anyone may say that they were anyone may say that was the chassis.
Yeah. Maminchia Ghana for Nyana. Antiquity, and Ope Michia. Omahine, President Akasa. Na Omay no. I say, the Bia Yedi Sika Egufako. Omani Sika no ye generatia, yen to me find ye Nyama. De Biano. Yadi bibi fufuro ebeba de bia ye hwie sika no edigu faako ifaso bia mba wo hwe flooding areas within Accra yemfa Accra han mumpo dia na asisa bibia asisa within west normal hene yempanyifo no sometimes omo kasa ubisa se oman no omo so munim oman nim bia na because the leader no when I was a we fairly change omani unim tetegu
matidi ni ba
ofi weja junction
yeah okay maybe
a bridge
yeah I know yeah
efa diko eyinum we hu ne AC wo hono river bank o amafo fili sisidan ewo water catchment area no Yenina ya fa hono.
Yes.
President Ohunda.
And auntie, you report to me.
Ohunda. say river bank no obi ye filling station also just right at the bank of the river na first no no honomo no na da honomo nti nsuo no eyire a eye
enena wa
exactly ene no ye fili sidan udu mala market mala market echire honomo nyina eye low like what's that crowd nankasa no it's a low
eshefom
honomo ni bebia obia nsuo
eba begu
a channel e de ko eponomo ye fili honomo nyina esisi dan nsuo no toy no okuhu a mobo we yesi ehu ye udu upa old botiano we still small now we call nsuo na anu ankasa na ohun developments a esi omuhu ye nsuo ano ye nsi dan wo ho no mo nsuo ano ye nsi dan wo ho no mo but amanfo washing bay amanfo there are several developments our banks of the river na be be fanfare in fact a camera and see us so we are not helping this country as leaders we are not say adiani kan dia and the over kan wasem ankan wa na we she ho no nti no ye besre a lot ejina yen politicians no yeso because mrano yen na yankasa na ehihye mrano na yen na was say make sure say mrano eye ejuma o ade no ye district assemblies no o man ni sometimes obisa who say denti na yenya unauthorized structures most of our areas bebre some assembly members it is the truth
structures no
assembly member no important mu no anani area no wo no obi the kiosk be see kwan so so when beside the permission sometimes omuhu they also benefit from it now where say we enye enya dia secret most of our electoral areas sometimes mpono ono no be kan say mo fancy o because ono su be den obedidi sade na koso sai no na access say the road networks wo kromu hanom look at the work regional minister ma 1 month in twem stores na they will all come back well yen to me enforce you take decisions na akoda you're thinking almost about 450 million
it's a joke
I want dredging mo
it's not a joke
yeah and that is why we are not moving as fast as we want as a nation because the biano budget your taxes in yetua fakuna ye pese yesiesie the bia honmo ana ade no ye de koshe nyama e wo se ye na ade no ye permanent ye kusha circle odo faso up to the end omo ye omo ewo nanu no they are still there still amu polluti still amu di refuse no egum inso beto na amanfo efi omufia
bola no
omo di mani insio no se fakomaye wo ento be kaya tama regional minister started say ombe say bola issues no na me can say look in some areas challenges wo honu mu a one solve here no a na opeso we no enye yi because one area nankasa no it's not accessible can't mean for honu mu enti say we say o the track ba be see honu mu na track na be fa refuse e wo containers mu a omo sa areas no when e call no makọ sa anyama no she ni Madrid no president the chiao just opposite Flagstaff House drain na ka how no and that drain no a link here the bicycle I don't know a cost flood no it was cycle no at the time I sa drain no it was a recommendation omo yes your friend say okay omo your recommendation say sa drain na e wo cycle just say you bie sa drain no ansa ye hu beto ye enti na omo start drain from 37 honum no ene aka ni man na yes e be developing no into your friend say your body ni say say a village you say me hu gata drink ke into me up to now enti no sa camera kasa no yenjai
for the cameras no
emu man no rather we should go and work assemblies no omusika we so omudi ye odwuma yemfa amom je na odi kwa akobubu obi dan okobubu obi dan o so high grader
oil
o so top fuel me wa assembly na sika we so odi ma no of anye na edwuma no scanning ma common fund look at the number of quarters are arrears nti no several factors camera show no endorse His Excellency endorse and so far as population no grow Accra no the situation will continue to be worse say yentumi anya permanent solutions to the problem sure connection wo hu ni sa no connection the quality is you a free almost that enclave ni nyina o da kuma ni nyina from Makati honum nyina connection enefa load no o man bi anka wo sa one stretch of the road na de bia no e flood no anka e be ye constructing an underground drainer e be taking all that road network into the sea na connecting na afifo na top na ye the road network that is a permanent solution but de bia na yakoti hu kakra bi me wade no and the amount of money are sinking into that project
without getting solution no? The latest one of 450 million
waste as I say you see you are inaugurating dredge masters their solution is all.
But that's what I'm saying. I pay.
You're going to do this game.
No, I pay man. I pay. Oh. I just played back some 7 years or 8 years back when my good friend Ibrahim.
Yeah.
I joined
exactly in that
to go to that. I was part of information. I'm saying, hey, and the Ghana a problem, pal. So this is a solvable issue. And the MPP in the position then. They really gave it to Ibrahim Mahama to the extent that the guy had to pack out of the place and go. Everything there. This has caused problem for us. So how are we solving our problems?
The Ghana politics, no.
How about
it? Remember watching him, Mama wait for a channel pay. Na Mama Nado Danko Kufado, na Pamfra. Ghana for a day to me asha one side to me na yebu me na Ghana for and the Ghana crew na fanenta ma pay from when you na channel pay some that upon see minia tete chai akemi na nya me pese be kan efa ho ne se adenti na sa structures na ne president adarati MMDCEs ne se wo mu buntu no dik na bai me je di say en sesa anka president and ka kire MMDCEs ni say structures are esisi nsumu no wo mu ntu ansa na won akobu ato in the first place and once anka bakra sense ya fa nipa etua wonka e wa assemblies ho e bi permanent staff through the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development and ebi nso ye staff asem na gasa recruit won wonam ye mpata ma no pa wi anwumiri it is structures ye be a permanent structures e be a temporary structures ni nyina eba no wo hu sankro fi ko rounds wo hu ko ano so my 10 cities na fasia my 20 cities na fasia ni nyina akoso na ansana oman ibe ye no mi ya tete chai kan age say ye hu say enye politician no nkwa na so solve o man problem do ono na ya to aba ma na odi anim na emom nipa na kasa nso civil servant na amanfo na kasa okom de wa na no nkire se utwa otekrama na ototowe nti baby a wode ade no akwakosi no wo mo bi 10 cities na wode asi ho no enye ho na wote na baby a wote no ade na wode asi woni te ma nsu abeyira afa wo baby a wote no isi no na ya yanhwe hu no wo de wo container na wo structure bi akosi wo kwan mu na wakoda wo de say nipa na ewo baby a ode adness ni won na wo ha won na se nsu na nkwa a baby a wo te afo say ho de wo for ebetwi afa ho now you have to say structure bi a de kosi baby no nti na masa wanya so ha won
yeah
I see you na me de na yes the at the end of the day no president say medwa ba ADC ana MC na say structures bi sisi wa anka ensese ho na esi no want to man hwe na esi ho a me ma woda ma yemovu keke me yi wa fi ona me do obi obetuma hese sa structures na emesi ho no aba
simplicity because
and then me tie regional minister network back also what is our directives we are when so no and then we have no option the president have no option
that is the pain because this is a president and no facha me can ewe kosi sense say my reasonable number of the DC for the ministers no they are not performing
and sending a constitution na drafting our constitution mu say the president and the air appointee no fire
but it's so disappointing that the president is waiting up to this point say enyoma eya because
Obama yira ma asem to ma menko manim kakra ne o kan hia de nanso ye nhwe se so president na so be ka kire wo MMDC as a CEO we are chief executive officer of the district and now when the president no and now we bylaws and now constitution na e back and now we workers are e almost say maybe me suggestion be by say on about the child say betumi ne be amend the constitution na the regional ministers na be mayors ni yi MMDCs na fi wa better because say regional minister greater Accra regional minister na also call amasaman of amasaman na okwa na DC no na DC ni di nachi MC no di nachi many minister bi share me go say ni regional minister na not sustainable
ko be bre
what shall some got no so I pay I do be I say I miss me bona ba so bi but not sustainable when the catch us nipa ba akope
ontimi
betumi akwa nsu a nsu efa obi agware nsu ode ato lord kwan mu na esai kwan no when the catch us regional minister na so stop na assembly member DC and a works department assembly works department staff no one way then into regional minister in office na obi di na agware nsu ato kwan mu nti the system must work not the minister nti me catch minister say regional minister no ye no one period da akra no ye you see there must be a system that should check the system. It's not one person being no see be a regional minister into my son and then they have to be a year to show leadership by example. Now man for no sorry. But system no anywhere. We now kwa it ends it. It's your best threat. Can Yakopon obo we are since 7 takra we free so. Onye kwase wo. Osi po ebo asoroche. Enti isuta isuso an entumi nkwopo nim. Sanse asoroche ni be pia nsu na ba na echi enti Onyankopon bo po wie no e no bo bibia fa ne lagoon nkra fo mo fra ne den za mo fra ne lagoon e na lagoon no na bi me ye ne se nsu ni nyina to na be gu lagoon ni afa nsu na tew no afa na lagoon no ba be son nsu no so na shampoo no mu nkakran kopo me se nsu ni nyina be kopo no e na yen ya ma lagoon no mu asi iti nsu ni ba apesa ko bo ponu se me ma ombom na piano back iti ye drains ni nyina mu na lagoon no yankotuma esinisi but we can't say be wa here correction kakra to be frank na Addo dan kwakufu Addo bai lagoon the bia me pictures bia me be kire yenya machines bi kura ekọ odo etumi meje etumi shensu no mokra na eyi finipu but the question is emira ye yi mu no na amanfo sound ngura gu waters no waters no so akwa ebe kwa kogu lagoon ni mu biem. That's the problem we are facing.
But that's who's
remember Akra foforo me ba Akra ha 1985 na yato namubi ewe ekobi bank tingiti uni be bia na oyifi lagoon edu be na uya na me na sna ya fi poto na manfu jaare
sasa time na kole kolebu waste no ekom nti your friends cotton
any adina na sisi
yeah
As me bank have first ni amanfo koyi koton chiuchi na me edi dokono today ebi kura ni me wa kwekire ya pollute and that University of Science and Technology me who paper bi mu ha what's one could take a sample of our waste what they call lab no omo hu say antibiotics what you waste mu no na just say ye waste na ye treat nti ukono antibiotics na ye omu adwuma wi a na ugya wona na antibiotics waste na FU system no mu ekono ni asesa na da kogu ye waste nim ebe de na enam ene no ma survive ya hwe ya na Ministry of Agric esi oye organic fertilizer yenya wan yenya fi en waste nim ebe kakra antibiotics ni be draw so organic fertilizer mu kwa na fe do ko ga do ba na se a enya adwuma. It's baby ekeka kono a national disaster o see ka say the send a covid by I declare we are seeing it's a pandemic o see ye hwebiribia ye declare war and shouldn't be the president alone especially those who have been appointed by the president to represent him.
Disappointing.
When you say the regional minister, Great Accra regional minister, and the MMDCEs, you be so sorry no far now so and they say, hey, works department, money mechi, near young baby.
Na me say na me dey told years ago. Madina Zongo Junction hono. Odi ka de kantankanta mi ko dwere mfimfini na all form. And wasa ko page kantankanta ni man kosofa. Can you believe that? Me Ghana for ya no. Kantankanta na kosofa ntimi cross no. Ya sa see kikra
me buy me hu ade baby ko down me wo because see me nuanom bi wo STC na me fa circle unu say baby anka ya ye interchange na wi interchange na so no ye the black soil begu ho near the rice flowers na fine and now say Ghana for nanto no what do thing go share concrete no what the stones esisi mu and na kwahwe wall apart a boost stones no mu and na me be graphic times are report I saw it. Now I say, hey, what if you have to bother we are? Second interchange in Asio.
Yeah.
But question assembly workers are. Omukuwa and Kedo Bakupo Jinawa. You see, any approach you need, Massa. Uma won kwanga. Because there's a monitoring and checking, the enforcement.
It's a punishment.
Then it's an enforcement. And obi anti na what the mura do ho no anya hwekura kan fa camera bi mu bo interchange na ase. So the question is president akan yes MMDCEs no mama nkwia won ko dina won ko so ko demolish there should be a team. I said Nadmo who the MMDCE ya president am instructions na wie no nko dina ho mfa abonua anka se okubu bibia to agu cop friend Nadmo district Nabo office and our office ho no ma no nka ho ma police for protection. Na enya say ye kwa akogbu dan yin so na he na tete chai de NDC ni obetre TV si ano ha ma dwene and then dey esi we be nsu yenkogbu mu ye hwe reality no say me ayepe a me kasa ma MPP a me ye MPP ni me dan na esi nsu mu a ye mumu tete chai de no ba bi esi no en house na ensi ho because flag me say the bad politics there enko
no that's it
enko. It's young careful. Here last na menam ekwapem. Unse ekwapem to be frank. Meaning say Hoya Hill and it's very neat communities ni na. We do ahwrase. Ma maybe na ramp bi want to slow down. Odi ekwadu, odi wi atraw. I'm saying, madam, it's baby, we gina ya hofu pe. So, your attitude. And then quite have a fam kakra. And could to me for ball and shooter. Now, oh, your ball and baby for ball and new. Now, what be sheer gunsun. Only say a lagoon. Na se lagoon musiwa. Insulin to me ko wapunu. Insulin to me ko wapuduma. Ebe sang nechi. Na abe fan. Nti yesre afide metuma kase yenti ayeye. Nso yiri ni baide. Nanso nipa ewi so far nipa back no crampo is not yet been confirmed. I no chere say ye boy ani ye bomodin. Afei mesre road ministry and the Ghana for nyina. Se Lord Kwanda wa ye wonu activities bi abetuma ye at the sides of the road and activities bi a untimi nye. Se na ufika so ana oba. Ba bia ye football ye fan den. Asamoah Jan dan no. Activities na koso ho nti suta. Na twamye ni nyina begu kwanim. Somebody must check them.
And we are paying heavily.
Ministry Jessica can say and engage contractors and so not to clear the activities.
Yes.
And who can stop that? You see, your losses, you have to look at the loss again. Because Ross Minister is very strong, very effective for checking. Now, loss prevent because high local government of where you until Ross Minister owned me. So let us look at the loss again. Many road ministry when roads we are no hand over the beautification of the roads to local government and then parks and gardens. Now I disagree. They should give it to them. No, that's how we manage your road, feeder roads. Hey, no one manage. Yes, sir. What they are saying, come permit now. One say, baby, I am a papa permit in what's needed. Or see that we are so and really abnormal. Near that's who Saka Swakano. Yeah, actually, a landslide one day.
Yeah.
One day, yet, yes, during kakran, that cranny and dang was wrong. Yes, assembly from the president in the Wakasam. I feel the president is saying, where one ya obey in Fion. Yes, sir, no man Fion and Yentem. Because, sir, me a MMDCEs, no DC, no, I check what Senator Shanghai, MMC, you have for the penny, the next time I'll be very careful. You mean you're not careful. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Now, Ghana for so you change your attitude. Near your family, advanced countries, no one from Upengu. River Thames first, and then they typhoid by. Now, issue wastewater, eco boom, no mercy, no uniform. And then, when you say, they treat the wastewater before it enters the river. A big cry, a man kumukra. In Shia, a flood the bay, countries be. I got you. You see, the ban. The call, I don't know the call Indiana. I think so. Agriculture. But yeah, very well. Okay. What's that? One job, baby, cracker. But Sassika sit. And on my flat, and one the slope and see what my on the flat, sir. And then they say, you should not be good, not better. Okay, sit, no would be rice. Oh. Na ye si dan afa nsase no sunyina nsi ye ni ba bia ye jaw aka community bia okọ India New Delhi community bia wo asase kraka wo ngaja wato insuruta na yiri na bebuo na yiri ta wo se it is
an Ramsar site dey na esi wo
insunu akofama insunu akofama no na what the fertilizer eguso na omudua rice
I don't know what's
but ya dey yes ankoba punim. It's say yes, sit down to such a way say. Ye ni baby a ye down flat level say had the insuta e metai ho near fenu yade. Aka krobia saba men kan sa. Brom bia won kan ha no. E wo baby a wo ma ho bia sit down ho bia about 10 acres, 20 acres. No ma flat in side insuba. Insuta na suso ni nyina betai ho. Etai ho so ni ko fa ma tu so no mem ko asase ni ma umuso mo spread fertilizer no mu bia rice. Yeah, we don't plan our cities. Now, some men come from NDC, now men come out MPP. And long ago, and the young planning. Come say, what can't come and command me to make nothing. Okay. And then actually, what for instance, somebody came in here. What do you be? Could I go shut up?
na omo wi onyina omo wi onyina na me interested stakeholder omo bi din enya mai omo wi onyina
na e na e ya money asro
no it's true
opa
I'm saying it's true me interested
kan kware se Ghana fo a
I'm telling you
2007 Kofuo Merosia, you release part of Achimota Forest.
Yeah,
no, I'm saying no,
I'm saying yeah,
Kofuo appointees and the political commission staff and the politicians. We are 2013. Near former President John Mahama Edemano. Yeah, NDC appointees and the politicians and the forestry commission staff will go. Yeah, we are near.
Me see men question me and make catch me. I can say me boss. Yeah, vast acres of the land. Vast acres.
Me position is
if I took the national security
forest, no. Yes, yeah, forest there. 1 year obi iya yen fi ho. Yen class asini nyina na enua.
Amahene.
And yes, Ada, the accusation and counter accusation should stop. It says me am meeting here. Say me forestry commission CEO. Na say owu family e the petition aba. So
ma buo
manya asase no what be bia meje what on na mosika bakakotobi
Amahene.
So what is it?
Amahene.
Ye cobra na ye ba ya be di ye ko ye
kwa ba what dey no aton what on na mosika metobi
ye kwa ba
what be bia meje.
Well, happy birthday, Sunkuma Mavis, Mrs. Mavis Odai Denchi, who GRA, Circle Branch, we free, Nana Jesse or multimedia on the farm. One, Emmanuel Afram also, and a Chebiaba Sofo, also, we head of a set designers, on also do our day. Happy birthday, Sunko and Farmer. We are back to the studio, and Ebedi Yensase Hone, Yakwaya Home Komoba. Ampofo-Adjei appointed chairperson of Climate Vulnerable Forum, and President Ampofo-Adjei has been selected to chair the Climate Vulnerable Forum, an international partnership of countries highly vulnerable to a warming planet. He takes over as chair following the end of Bangladesh's 2-year term as chair of the forum, which serves as South-South cooperation platform for participating governments to act together to deal with global climate change. And Era Yunus of Hussein, so on the matter of Achimota Forest and matters arising, Wababi and Misremo, I have no hands in additional Achimota lands given to the old family. Abu.
Yeah, Omahini, first of all, former minister, I am very, very clear. Na odinchirechire so aba show say ampa recommendation mu ye no na ye 118 enye 36 and 365 the current minister or professor ya fa no ento nchen omahene problems are ye wo ewo omemu ewo yahidie mu because of lands.
It's a simple.
And no, say your traditional systems, no. Are saying yes, now the biggest challenge of this nation is the land commission.
Land commission for no.
Amahene, this is a muni assassin. But me, I've had the experience. Your family, your experience, you know. Land commission, no. There are contractors,
Land commission?
Yes. Omahene, asase enya wode. Nkofo ebeye masasase no abeye wode. What I know about land commission, ye ka krono ewo memu a me lands commission. And that is why people are killing each other because of land. Sure, you see, you investigate backgrounds. They connive with families who are not entitled to lands to get lands.
What?
No more benefit from. I'm telling you. Now, as America. The person being very challenging. and I'll use my own example. Omayini, Land Commission, a new institution. It's Nasa meeting say, Amuya digitalization. Na ya Mr. I asked Risam. Sure. In Kuma, in Sasia, or Toffree, young crime, chiefs in some. At the year, friends and residents, at the ma civil servants and public servants. And the sons are saying, you know, what has happened to them. It has been sold to private developers. Private developers, you know, who crochet chida politicians and a way chide. But you see, they be a can say, so we are politician. Yet the property I share with them. So property no, uphobia we are comfort. Me tisa comfort can say, oh, yeah, they are bad bem, you will see Canada, a mystery. And then let's say, Sir John, in 2016, something in some more kind. Oh, yeah, you'll be da. In Sasiana, and then I could doubt me will no more. Dabe. And 2018. Me what?
Correct.
And 2018. Dabe no call office on more. You see, we are not honest to ourselves. Yen kan ye hu no kre. Nia ye de ya no e ka no, enye no enene ye. Eno na ama oman no eti se na city ye. Oman ni I've been in parliament. Me famisika and talk asasia ya entrust into my care. I Ghana for the shame me say me protect mom. I will never. Me shall me crowd. Me akasa me call and if you want to make a Thomas as you. I have no interest in. No. Once a year, I buy assassin. You don't owe any right to that land. You don't owe any right to that land. Share and then your judges. I'm going to mean your mujuma. Your sister Marco Gu, areas are almost dead and a home. But some cantonment areas in India
specifically designed for them.
Yes, specifically for public service. Since they are paying for, they will be close to their workplaces. So that they'll be very efficient on the job. Any brain, intino. Ya shada ne aba ne say oh, I had no say no. Enye yi inti ya pese ya redesigning or no be wana. And then we share parliament areas on muna. It is the most expensive place to live in Ghana. If you're the one no, I might want to mean talk. So if you know that area, no, GIG areas, no, apartments, no, it is the most expensive places to live in Ghana. Meanwhile, no, government properties. And you know, among citizens, no, they have entrusted a minor property, no, into our care. Nia who can say wonso aka wo beto bi no. I don't agree with you. Share only lands your friends say Sir John. No
Forestry
penny. Okay. Forest reserve no e wo ho no for a purpose.
E she wo wase class account.
Share and now me no we ehumi ye nya oxygen
you are misquoting.
No, Yenya oxygen, yeah, whom is say, my a long life no. It's because of that forest. It's because of that forest. And you know, say you know what Tana Sadia no. Okay. Now your faculty can be so. Echo that the family bem na ye G in Sasiano at the my family na. Na ye benefiti a woman. And your crona then.
Okay, so bring the wrap up, man.
One task on mechanics. Now, Mr. Mitchell say, me, Obia no answer. Uber me fear a whole farm. Me finishing fin. Until me pet, baby, I will be a me pinwheel. It is a make us say me, Menquia, Anka. One crana, ya, the assassin wonder, yes, I need in you move no my own when you are near same area. But I saw me come at the giant of us and say, Sir, I buying. NDC abanyo, MPP abanyo, CPP abanyo, whatever. When the assassin ama ahemfo legally, abaye one property. Abaye own family property. What on? We say, a son say, na me ye CEO, ana me wo aban muntino. Say what tongue? Me no can say me
conflict of interest.
No conflict of interest. Aban tongue na kotobia. A conflict of interest. Nya buying or tongue.
But Ankran it.
Ankran be their family in them. Ankran their tongue money. So let us draw the line. But the American say ye nyina Ghana for any eji atomo say. Ye forest no. Ye farm mabusiano. Ye be kwa kopesi Ghana say ye ntua compensation a. Ye tua compensation e di amon. Ni ekipi forest na fair be it. And as I buy na can say forest here na abenkro ye twetwa bi ni aton dia we CEO forest commission we hwan we abem pa to me to be because I abang na ton
mama no bi biase
it ni ya can say ya ma your forest reserves no enter home family
ebe share Adom. Thank you so much.